All set and ready to race. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Elevinian Queen by the rail. Moving up on the outside is Security Check. It's now Security Check in the lead, followed by Sir Barbaro. And on the outside is Sole Provider, Toy Warrior, Power Gear, and by the rail is Elevinian Queen. The mid-back stretch, it is still Security Check in the lead, followed by Sole Provider on the outside in second. And nearing the far turn, still Security Check, Sole Provider, Sir Barbaro, Toy Warrior moving up on the outside, Elevinian Queen, and Power Gear. Rounding the far turn, Security Check by Alain Caniha, followed by Sole Barbaro by the rail, moving up on the outside, Toy Warrior. And here comes Elevinian Queen now moving up on the farther outside. And now the last bend for home, Sole Provider in the lead, Toy Warrior on the farther outside, Security Check by the rail. And now the top of the stretch, Toy Warrior, Elevinian Queen now moving up on the outside. Elevinian Queen on the outside, Toy Warrior by the rail, Sole Provider. And nearing the prep line is still Toy Warrior by the rail and Elevinian Queen on the outside. And finally at the prep line, it's Toy Warrior, Elevinian Queen, Sir Barbaro, Security Check, Sole Provider, Power Gear.
Okay, 3-1.